No time to waste. Let's go.
Film it! Frame it! Drop it!
Hi guys, it's me Paul. I made this tool Letterboxd to add letterboxes to your timeline. First of all, you simply have to install it, and here it is. Just drag and drop it on your timeline, adjust as needed, and choose from 25 common aspect ratios like CinemaScope. Just select, and it adjusts instantly. Here's footage from my Japan trip, perfectly for CinemaScope, I would say. What you can then also do is you can even scale it. And around the corners, because let's be real, it looks way cooler this way. This is so much cooler than edgy corners, in my opinion. And feathering adds an analog feel, and you can mix different aspect ratios throughout your project. And lastly, customize your colors and make it uniquely yours. And that's how you level up your videos with Letterboxd. This is just the beginning, so stay tuned. Download it for free in the description, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share your ideas for the next version. See you next time. Bye bye.